What's your name?
My name is Rachany.
Jenny? Jenny? Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
What grade are you in?
What grade are you in? I'm in grade 4.
Hey, very good. What's your nationality?
I'm Cambodian.
Where do you live?
I live in Rachany village, Bang Common Mesa district, Tây province.
Very good. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Rachany.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is
What does your father do? Father? Father?
Thưa ấy, papa thưa ấy.
Boy.
He's ấy.
He's a
Okay.
Đông
Phư. He a cook.
Oh.
Yeah, he's a cook.
Yeah, cook.
What does your mother do?
I see a cook.
She's a cook.
She's a cook. Oh, we look like the same. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
My sister.
No, how many brother and sister do you have?
How many brothers?
មានបងប្អូនប៉ុន្មាននាក់
Boy.
I have
I have
3.
ប៉ុន្មាននាក់
one.
One?
one អី
One old.
one អី one sister ឬក៏ one brother
Sister.
ចឹងហ៎
Okay. You have one sister, one sister or one brother?
One sister.
One sister. What's your sister's name? Your sister? Chama.
My sister name is Rachany.
How old is your sister?
My sister is 7 years old.
Good, very good. Good job.